Hey everybody, welcome back to Sneaks and Geeks. Today we're looking at something that fits right perfect here on the desk. You guys know I love FiFine gear. We did a whole video, and this time they sent over the Ampligain A16 wireless desktop gaming speaker, and it matches everything in my room here. If you got a compact setup and you want to ditch the headset for a bit without losing audio quality, you're going to want to see this. So let's check it out. So straight out of the box, you're getting a speaker, USB-C charging, a 3.5mm auxiliary cable. First thing you'll notice is the design. It's built almost like a mini soundbar. It sits horizontally, which is actually perfect if you're working with a larger desk. It tucks right under the monitors, and it looks. I mean, look. Here's what else is cool. You got like a mechanical keyboard style buttons, which, you know, it's funny. It's almost like retro comes back and people hear the clicks, you know, and everybody likes the clicks now, including myself, when years ago I was like, I don't want to hear anything. You got volume, play, pause, skip, EQ modes, and of course RGB control, which gives you the tactile clicky feedback like we love on the mechanical keyboards. That's right in front of it. So inside you're packing dual speaker drivers. Also great is that it runs wireless, got built-in Bluetooth battery, lasts about 6 hours. You can plug it in. You can also plug it in USB or auxiliary if you want, but you know, there's enough cables around. So I like to go wireless, and it's definitely a massive win for a nice, clean setup. Obviously, you know, a huge part of our channel here is matching things, right? Sneakers, PCs, RGB, all that stuff. So this has 4 RGB modes: static, shifting, gradient, and dynamic. The dynamic mode actually syncs and bounces with the music. So sound-wise, it punches definitely above its $50 price tag. The dual diaphragms that push a surprising amount of bass for its size. It's not going to shake your windows, but for a desktop speaker sitting 2 feet away from you, definitely gives you some vibrant, balanced audio. Footsteps and FPS are clear, and the music mode EQ warms up on the low end. Very nice. Good job, FiFine.
PCs and art with the sneakers and things like that. We may have to get another pair of these, and I have. I'll be emailing you once I have that other idea, because that takes some more. There's a little more logistical prep to that. It's a pretty big. It involves a couple of these, and anyway, that's here nor there. That'll be in time. just messing around. Easy OBS.
Like I said, first time expensive. None of this altogether is crazy expensive. It's definitely affordable for you to get started. This thing's great. FiFine, bravo. Good job. Keep up the good work. That's it for me. Product listed below.
Once again, FiFine for the win. See those two little speakers? You're gone, boys. This is my new one. Thanks to FiFine for sponsoring and putting out a very cool looking product that goes really well with my setup. I'll get you an after pic of how everything looks and ties together. And yes, that's a Hannibal Lecter mask. So yeah, I'm a fan. Thanks for tuning in to Sneaks and Geeks. Thank you once again, FiFine, for great budget, great quality products. We'll see you soon. Thanks, guys. Take care.
See you soon. I'm out.